Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Xtreme Binary Bot Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This high-speed trading signal tool displays market condition status along with green and red dots for buy and sell signals. Originally built for binary options but also useful for forex scalping and short-term trading. In this video you'll see how the Xtreme Binary Bot works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are utilized. The Xtreme Binary Bot Indicator has two main aspects. First, it shows key information in a dialog box in the upper right corner, and second, it presents bullish and bearish signals through colored dots. The dialog box displays market range, showing the current range of the move, market condition telling if the current trade is suitable for trading, broker time, account currency, spreads representing the current forex pairs, bid/ask price, and leverage illustrating the account leverage. The colored dots identify potential entry and exit points, with green dots for long positions and red dots for short positions, requiring traders to combine the information with entry and exit dots for complete trade decision. On the chart, the green dot appears when bullish condition aligns with safe trade market condition status, while red dots plots when bearish setups occur with favorable market conditions. As you can see on the chart, the indicator works on any time frame, making it versatile for scalping, day trading, or swing trading approaches, though it is especially useful for shorter term strategies requiring quick decisions. For buy signals, the market condition must show safe trade. The indicator should plot a green dot, and traders must wait for the candle to close before entering at the next candle, with stop loss at the recent low and exit when the red dot appears. For sell signals, the market condition must display safe trade. The indicator should plot a red dot, and traders wait for candle close before entering at the next with stop loss at the recent high and exit when the green dot appears. It is important to wait for candle close as the indicator can repaint, and when market conditions show high risk, it is better not to take positions until safe trade market conditions return, with traders able to add RSI and stochastic for further signal confirmation. You can check its alert settings and enable alert. You can also change its color for the color dots. The Xtreme Binary Bot Indicator is suitable for binary options traders, forex scalpers seeking quick entries and exits, and short-term traders who need comprehensive market information and rapid signals on any time frame. Its strengths include being easy to understand, with clear visual presentation, working on all time frames for flexibility, presenting clear entry and exit points with comprehensive data display, and usefulness for both manual trading and automated systems. However, the indicator can repaint, requiring traders to wait for candle close. Signals should also be confirmed with additional market analysis, including price action, support and resistance levels, and bullish or bearish candlestick patterns. Excellent money management is also essential, so one bad trade does not cancel out consecutive winners. You can download the Xtreme Binary Bot Indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how combining market condition status with entry dots creates a high-speed signal tool with comprehensive information display, ideal for binary option and forex scalping. If you like indicators with market condition monitoring and clear dot signals, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.